Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in another Hyundai Sonata, and this one is the Sonata that came with the faulty factory screen head unit. So it was fully blank screen, no CD player, no touch screen, nothing of the reverse camera, no sound coming up, and no steering wheel control, no USB port, no auxiliary. So actually it was a completely dead head unit and screen before. And yep, the same thing we have done. Another 7-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and full HD camera, super anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera upgrade into the factory camera location, and it definitely looks like factory camera at the back end. And furthermore, we have some special thing this time for the Hyundai Sonata upgrade. What it happened is the new USB port we introduced here, and you can see that currently we have one USB plug in the factory USB spot here, which still used in the new system, but we also have another USB right here. If you can see that, that's the second USB port. So it is two USB in our system right now, that it can run USB Apple CarPlay and USB Android Auto as well, just in case if the owner wants to use that. And the sound system is working nicely, and steering wheel controls or those buttons, they're working well. So you can see that when I press the button, is showing on the screen, and I press the mute button and it's mute. So about the fitment and looking, yeah, definitely it is similar as the other day that we fit in other Hyundai Sonata. So it's perfectly aligned and adjust into the car, and it definitely bring the new system into the car as the factory fitment over here. Now we are showing how the reverse camera was done. So just have a look here. You can see that the new reverse camera is here. So it is the same place as the factory camera, and it's still looking just like factory camera as well, but it is a lot better in terms of resolution and anti-glare and super night vision features. So just come up here and we will introduce how the reverse camera is showing. Just pull the gear stick and we definitely see it comes up straight away. Very clear, very sharp and detailed, and it is showing the best, viewing angle and screen for the driver, and it instantly move back to whatever it was, which actually on the screen is wireless Android Auto running connected with my Android phone at this moment, and it is easy, very easy. Okay, so instantly it moved back and forth. That's exactly what we want. And currently factory steering wheel control, factory sound system, looks like factory fitment over here. Factory USB port, add in another, looks like factory USB, and the looks like factory reverse camera, but the full upgrade of the full HD anti-glare and super night vision one. So that's all about our system, and we are waiting for the owner coming to collect soon after this. So thanks again for watching, and yep, this is the very first video in the 2023. So happy new year to everyone. Wish you all the best for the new year's coming now, and yep, see you again in another one. Thank you.